Now let's take a step back and analyze what the difference between a query and a search really means. A query is going to return only the results that match the value provided. Performance is going to be optimal since you're querying on the partition key, and that acts as a lookup. In CQL, querying different columns may need multiple tables and data duplication. An example is, as we see here, retrieving the information for a movie with a specific ID. The disadvantages of these queries are going to be you have to use the full text value for your lookup, and of course, all queries are going to be limited by your primary key definitions. Now with search, we typically do not need to retrieve all the results, and we typically don't even know what we're looking for. In these cases, only the most relevant results are the ones we're interested in, and we rarely go beyond the first n results, where n is typically 10. Relevancy means each row is given a score based on how well it matches the search parameters, and the default ordering is going to be based on those scores. This is certainly much more flexible, as exact values aren't required. Generally, this won't be as fast as a query, but we still consider this near real time as the results are typically given sub-second. Let's look at the same examples using different functionality because we are leveraging search. A CQL search request is a CQL query that includes the solar_query column in the where clause, where this column value is a string containing the Lucene search expression. Most, but not all CQL predicates are still valid in this search request. Selecting columns, the where predicate, limiting the number of rows, all that is supported. What isn't supported are DML statements, statements such as inserting, updating, and deleting.